Investing in Vanguard ETFs is a great way to diversify your portfolio with low-cost, broad market exposure. Here's how you can invest in Vanguard ETFs. Choose a brokerage account. To invest in Vanguard ETFs, you first need a brokerage account. You can use platforms like Vanguard itself, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Sign up and complete the KYC process by submitting required documents. Deposit funds. Once your account is active, deposit funds using a bank transfer, debit or credit card, or another accepted method. Research Vanguard ETFs. Vanguard offers various ETFs, such as the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, and Vanguard FTSE All World ex-US ETF. Research each ETF strategy, holdings, and past performance to choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Place an order. After choosing your ETF, search for its ticker symbol on your brokerage platform. Enter the amount you want to invest, specify the order type, and confirm the purchase. Monitor your investment. Once you've invested, you can check the ETF's performance on your brokerage platform and adjust your holdings as needed.